Alright, Starnowski. This is called graphing using the intercepts. We have an equation in standard form, 2x plus 3y equals 6. When we're asking for the intercepts, we're actually asking for where this line crosses both the y-axis as well as the x-axis. To solve that, we simply have to substitute 0 in for one of the values to find out what the other coordinate is. So we'll start off with first substituting 0 in for x. So we substitute 0 in, and then we go ahead and solve this equation. Obviously, 2 times 0 equals 0, and then we're left with 3y equals 6. And to finish this out, 3y equals 6, we got to divide, because we want to isolate the y, so we're going to divide it by 3. Whatever we do one side, we got to do it to the other side. 3 over 3 cancels out, so we're left with y equals, and then 6 divided by 3 is simply 2. So the y-intercept is an ordered pair, 0, 2. That is the y-intercept. Now to find out the x-intercept, we substitute 0 in for where we see y in the equation. So in this case, it would be 2x plus 3 times 0 equals 6. Obviously, they cancel out to 0, so I'm left with 2x equals 6. And now I need to get rid of that 2, so it's 2 times x, so I do an equal but opposite operation, which is division. So I need to divide it by 2, and whatever I do one side, I got to do the other side. So I'm left with x equals 3. And the x-intercept in this case is 3, 0, because remember, my ordered pairs is always x, y. So graphing using the intercept method is I'll go and mark a point on 0, 2. So I start at the origin 0, and then I go up 2 units, 1, 2. So there's a point right there. And then my other point is 3, 0. So again, I begin at the origin, and I go over x units in the positive direction 3, and up 0. So I make a point there, and obviously I'll do my best to connect these into a straight line, and it should look something like close enough. You get the gist of it. So that's how I graph an equation using the intercept method. So to find out the intercepts, you substitute 0 in for one of the values and solve for y, and then substitute 0 in for the y value and solve for x. You get your 2 ordered pairs, plot them, and connect the dots. And that's how we do that. All right.